Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP quantifiers, and today we are going to discuss about another quantifier, that is anchors. So anchors are basically an indicators which indicates whatever it is followed by, it has a special meaning. Okay, so here I have taken two anchors, that is caret and dollar. Okay, so caret is basically used to match the pattern at the beginning of the string, and dollar is basically used to match the pattern at the end of the string. Okay, so here I have taken four examples to find the pattern. This one is basically, these two are basically used to match the string at the beginning of these two are basically used to match at the beginning of the string, and these two are basically used to match at the end of the string. Okay, so the first example is to find the pattern Australia. Okay, and here the input is A. Okay, so return true if the string starts with E. Okay, so here the Australia starts with the symbol A. Okay, and let's see like what might be the output once we run this particular cell. So before that, we'll try to understand these three examples also. Okay, so here to find the pattern, and here I have taken the input as M. Okay, and here the pattern is Japan. Okay, so the initial character is not M. Okay, so return true if the string starts with M. Okay, and the third one is to find the pattern, and what I have taken is like here I have taken A dollar. So here the India ends with A in the pattern India. So return true if the string ends with A. So the example is to find the pattern England. Here I have taken C. So in the pattern England ends with D, but here I have taken it as tree. So return true if the string ends with C. Okay, so now let's see like what might be the output once we run this particular cell. So before that, we'll try to run these cells as usual. We'll try to import regular expression, and we'll try to define the pattern. And here let's see like what might be the output. So here first one would be true, and the third one would be true, and these two should be not found. So let's see. Yeah, so here we are getting the output as usual, like as we expected. So here what I have done is like return true if the string ends with A. So here the match is A. So since the Australia starts with the character A. Okay, and the third one, so return true if the string ends with A. So in the India, in the pattern India, so the India ends with A. So here you can see like match is A, and the span is between 4 to 5. Okay, so the span is basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it starts from 4 and ends with 5. Okay, so and here the Australia, so the first character itself A. So here you can see the span is between 0 to 1. Okay, so here in the second example, since the Japan doesn't ends with M, so it's coming as not found. And in the fourth example, since the England doesn't ends with C, so it shows that not found. Okay, so that's all about the anchors in NLP quantifiers, and that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.